Hey there and welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to tell you all about a perfect way to experience the Cliffs of Moher from a really unique perspective. Most visitors usually head straight to the Cliffs of Moher Visitor Center for really stunning views from above, and don't get me wrong, this experience is amazing and it's one you definitely shouldn't miss when you're exploring Ireland. But if you are looking for a more unique perspective, then why not just head to Doolin to catch a ferry to see the cliffs from below? We searched Doolin Pier in Google Maps and then just followed the directions. Once you're in Doolin village itself, you can also just follow the blue signs leading you towards the harbour. Parking here is also super affordable. Just €1 for up to 2 hours or €5 for up to 30 hours. There's a booth here where you can head to if you've got any questions or to buy your tickets. But I recommend booking online ahead of time since these tours can sell out quite quickly. Tours run from March to November with up to 4 options daily, usually at noon, 2 PM, 3 PM and the last one at 5:15. Tickets for adults cost €28 and the tour lasts somewhere between 45 minutes and an hour. It all depends on the weather and which boat you're on. Once you board your ticket, you'll get a boarding pass with a QR code on it. Just bring a printout or have the code on your phone, as it will be scanned before you get onto the ferry. When it's then time to board, head to the gate, get your ticket scanned and line up. Our ferry was a tiny bit late, and once it was here, everyone basically rushed to get onto it to get the best spots on top. There's seats downstairs and up there, but best be careful when crossing the gangway and also try to be near the front of the queue because everyone scrambles for the top deck seats. The tour will take you almost up to the O'Brien's Tower and then we'll turn around to slowly head back. And here's my photo tip. Sit on the right side of the top deck. On the return trip, the ferry slows down, giving you plenty of time to capture those postcard perfect shots of the cliffs bathed in golden light. If you can, I highly recommend doing both, seeing the cliffs from above and from below. Both offer really unique views and they just make for a truly unforgettable experience. If you want to see a video about the Cliffs of Moher Visitor Center, then just leave a like and let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching.